Sena wara sena il-numru ta' turisti li jżuru lil pajjiżna dejjem qiegħed jiżdied. It-temp uniku u l-kosta pittoreska li ddawwer l-Gżejjer Maltin huma uħud mill-affarijiet li jiġbdu lit-turisti lejn pajjiżna. Kru ta' One News mar fir-raħal ta' Marsa Xlok fejn tkellem ma' uħud mill-eluf ta' turisti li qattaw il-ħadd filgħodu jammiraw iż-żbuħija ta' dan il-port.
What do you like most about Malta?
My picture and the weather and the sea.
Maybe the sea or the beach.
The beach, the weather, the people, and the fish, the seafood.
People are very kind and the weather is amazing.
Il-karattru uniku tal-port ta' Marsa Xlok ma naqas milli jħalli impatt pożittiv fuq dawk li ta' kuljum imorru jżuruh. Apart il-mijiet ta' dajes ta' sajjieda li jagħtu lil dan il-port il-karatteristiċi uniċi tiegħu, ir-ristoranti li hemm ikomplu jgħinu sabiex iħallu toma tajba lil kull min iżurhom.
Yes, the food is good. I like the octopus, so that's why we're here. But we heard there's no market today.
I think actually the Luso boats, they're so pretty and colorful.
I like the fish. Everything about fish, grilled fish and something like this. And seashells too. She likes more than me.